Hello guys, and welcome to Vlad's Place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start your own sourdough starter. We'll start with a heaping tablespoon of flour and enough water to create a thick paste, just like this. Ideally, you want to start this on a warm day and you want to place this mixture outside, preferably underneath a fruit tree, or in my case, I have it under vine pergola. Grapes are ripe and there is all kinds of bacteria on leaves and on the fruit itself. My goal is to get some of that bacteria into our water and flour mixture. And you saw I had it covered with a tablecloth to protect it from insects and birds, but bacteria could still seep through it. It's the next day, and all I'm doing now is just adding a little bit more flour, and this time I'm gonna create a little bit thicker mixture. What this does is basically provides a fresh food for any bacteria that we might captured in the mixture. I will repeat this process for the next couple of days by taking the cup outside under a vineyard and bringing it in during the night. And by the fourth day, I actually have the bacteria that's activated, and now I can start baking and using this starter for all kinds of pastries. To keep it going and to keep it alive, just add some more flour in the same cup, a little bit of water, create that thick paste again and let it activate, after which you can use it or just put it in a fridge. By the way, you can use this starter for all sorts of different pastries and recipes. This is all for today. I want to thank you all for watching, and I want to especially thank to all our followers. This is Vlada from Vlad's Place, and I'm looking forward to sharing more recipes with you soon.